Good morning. It's Sunday morning, it's a lazy day, and I thought I'd play the noisiest arcade game you've ever heard of. This is Zookeeper. Now, Zookeeper was a big favorite in the pizza palaces and other places of children's holding pens way back in the day. But it is sadly largely forgotten. You can probably hear why. Now, I've got the Wikipedia article up on this game, because even I didn't remember some of these facts. It was developed in 1982 by Taito of America, American-designed game, though. You play Zeke. That's a little dude running around. And your girlfriend that you eventually have to attempt to rescue from a monkey is Zelda. This is the first Legend of Zelda. Now, this also came out at the time when arcade games would explain themselves. Get the root beer. Jump over the animals. That's not a trowel, by the way, that just appeared. That's a net. You'll see how, hopefully, that will come into play soon. Now, just imagine this game being played amongst probably 5 or 6 others in a pizza parlor arcade, and you can understand why parents of the 80s had such wonderful migraines. So, also, beautiful bluesy soundtrack if you let it. So, let us insert a coin. We're going to attempt to use my Xbox controller paired with this, but I warn you, its responsiveness is janky as hell as soon as you attempt to round corners. Let's make an attempt, a bad one, at Zookeeper. Oh yeah. Here we go. So, we run around the corners, and look at how he jumps. Now, the jumps look like they've got tons of control. Here we go. Here, come on. See, this is what I mean about my controller responsiveness. Now, the jumps look like you have tons of control. You don't. They're floaty as hell. A little Irish for you, because I guess Zeke is Irish. Come on, waiting for that net, not a trowel. There we go. Now, hope you like blue again, and we send them back. There. And now we're on to a bonus stage. Now, unlike a lot of other arcade games, this is an actual stage. If you die, you have to replay this stage. Thankfully, it's not terribly difficult, but I had some real trouble playing through it earlier this morning and testing. Oh, no. Okay, well, this will be a fun romp. Nope, go. Thank you. Yeah, good morning. Now I just have to wait out the clock. Not the best run. Okay, trowel at the end. This is going to be a hairball. I mean, look at them rhinos go. Watermelon, shamrocks. Oh, jeez, Louise. Oh, barely. Come on. Give me the trowel. Where are you? Nike. Give me. No, come on. Yes. Okay. Here's where it could get... Oh, I wish I had more time with it. It could get satisfying. Now again, here's where my latency or my controller issues and the really floaty jumping physics. Ugh. Oh! Another bonus stage. Oh, I forgot about this one. He just Q-worded. Oh, you actually have to play through it. Oh, great. So you have to burn all your lives to attempt to get a bonus life. See, this is what I mean. Wow. Sorry. Should have NSFW. Moose! Oh, it's Christine Sinclair. A lot of her. And she hates me. Okay, we got the trowel coming out early. I know it's in net. I'm calling it the trowel. That's like... Jeez Louise. It's over there? No, no, no. Yeah, that's satisfying. Oh, come on. Great. Now, okay, now I'm not going to get anything. No. Running with the moose. The Portland Thorn story. Oh, God, this... Hairball. Well, top score. I assure you that's a rarity. Just listen to that. Man, I could wake up to that every morning. Yeah, playing Zookeeper. Man, it's such a drag. Especially on a Sunday morning. Well, let's not keep it waiting. Tempted to use my brother's handle, dis, but nah. So, with all the apologies in the world, that was most definitely Zookeeper. My name is Brent Diskin, and I'm sorry.